Well, I'm recording this video because my Maschine Mikro isn't working. And I mean, one of the pads isn't, and it's getting stuck. And I just bought this on the summer sales, so it has like 1 month and a half. I haven't moved it too much, I haven't played so much, and even the pad that is not working is one pad that I don't use too much. So this is the deal. Yes, so for example, all of this, you can see changing the color, they trigger sounds, they work properly. But then this one gets stuck, for example. Sometimes it doesn't play anything. And I mean, that's the main issue. So it's a big issue for me that I bought this for finger drumming. And so what